stampede went into a paddock and up towards it.
Well, hello everybody, it's Suffolk Andy here, and I am at the Holy Trinity Church at Long Melford. And I have to say, out of all the churches I've been to, and there's been one or two, this is one of my favourites. It's absolutely gorgeous inside. I'm not going to go in today, but I think I did years ago. Went inside here and shoot some, but yeah, what a beautiful spot. Yeah, this is Long Melford. And the other thing I can tell you about Long Melford is this village was the last village where they actually read out the Riot Act. Yes, the people went nuts here and they read out the Riot Act to them, because there's a big Tudor house down there and they broke in there and ransacked it and everything else. And they had to put the people down because they were frightened of them, because they thought they would attack the nobility. But there you go, a little bit of history on Long Melford. Right, we're now going to have a little ride towards Clare and Lavenham. It's a beautiful day today, as you can see. It's a beautiful area, and this is the only respite I think we're going to get in the next couple of weeks. So let's get on with the ride. Well, when you're on your bikes, there's always somebody wants to speak to you. Lovely old boy. Been coming up here 50 years, you reckon, to the church. Great, isn't it? Like I say, this is a beautiful area. Like I say, we're now going to go over, I think, to Lavenham and Clare that way. We had to be careful today where we went because there's been so much flooding. I know it's been all over the country, but East Anglia or Suffolk got it really, really bad, and a lot of the roads are flooded or in bad condition. So we decided to keep to the more main roads, so hopefully we don't get any trouble that way. I don't know what it's been like up at where you boys and girls live, but let me know. Right, here we go. Cars are waiting just to go on one side, I think. Not right across the road?
I don't know. I can't see now.
It seems like, yeah, there's a dry bit through the middle and they're all waiting. Yeah, they're going through the middle. Oh, I don't know. Not looking good. This is not looking good. Don't want to put my feet down. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's like a sea. That was not good. My word. Well, I don't think my feet got wet. I'm not sure which way we'll go. We'll go this way. Typical little wall town in this area, very prosperous in the Middle Ages. I think this is Clare. Right, I've got my boy Aaron in front of me at the moment because I got lost. Completely lost, and I didn't want to go to where this road has taken us. Braintree, it's a little bit further out than we wanted to be, so he's got the sat nav and it's going to take us back to TT in Sudbury in 16 minutes. What that road's going to be like, only knows. I have to say, now I don't have to put these systems out like this. They frustrate me a bit. Well, I don't have to put them out anymore. These old traffic lights. Fucking hell, look at that for a pothole. Oh, that one was bad enough. If you think about it, all that money you pay to have the services and you're getting none of it. Do you know where it's all going? It's all going on diversity and inclusion and all this crap. And different rights for different people. Yeah, so all this money you're paying out every year, what are you actually getting for it? What are you actually getting for it? They empty your bins, they turn your lights off early at night, it's not safe to walk around the place, can't see what you're doing. Hey police, but you don't see any police. If you get burgled, they won't come and see into it. Shoplifters can take what they like, up to 200 quid. They sit watching over computers to see if you don't put anything that's a little bit naughty on the internet. If you do, they come round and say it's not a crime, but we just have to have a word with you. Oh my god. It's pathetic. I can honestly say, and I'm going to say it, this country is in decline, badly, really badly. Well, we landed up at TTT. Me and Aaron, and we're now going to make our way back to Ipswich. Where is he? He's there. I'll go in front on this one. Yeah, so we're at the back end of Sudbury now. Nice little straightforward run back to Ipswich. Yeah, I nearly got into a rant there, didn't I? About what we have to pay out for and what we don't get. But it is true. Very, very true. So it only leaves me to say, all ride safe, love each other, Suffolk Andy.